Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful DIY jewelry holder using a glass canister or a bottle. What you need are bottles that have these wooden tops. I got these ones from IKEA, and these small ones are actually easy to use because the wood is kind of like chipboard and it's not difficult to pierce through. So what you'll need on here is your bottle, and what you also need are some hooks like this one, or you can get the Captain Hook hooks. Those are much better, but I had these ones in the house, so I just decided to use these ones and save. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your hook and pierce it into the wood like this, and then just turn it around like this. The amount of hooks that you put actually depends on yourself and the amount of jewelry that you want to put, but I actually put 4 hooks. You can put either 1, you can put either 2, 3, it depends with you. So once you've finished putting your hooks, you're actually done. But for this particular jar here, I had to use a drill steel because this is hardwood. The bottom part is hardwood, so I actually had to use a drill to drill in the holes and push in the hooks in there. So once this is done like this, let's put on our jewelry, shall we? Let's put on our gold chain here. Let's put on our earrings. I think this is a way you can save on buying jewelry displays, or ways you can display your jewelry on a budget. You don't have to break a bank to display your jewelry, and I think it's also a unique way of displaying your jewelry. It's not like things that you see regularly, or you know, if you were to go to a friend's house or family's home, the way they display their jewelry. This is really beautiful and it's unique, and I'll be sharing with you how I displayed this beautiful jewelry display bottles on my dresser. So until next time, this is Rati. Have a great one, guys. Bye bye.